Lounge cars were used on passenger trains beginning in 1887 and are still being used today by modern trains. Our lounge car, the Tennessee Club, was one of 3 that were used by the Louisville and Nashville Railroad on their Pan-American line. The other 2 were called the Kentucky Club and the Alabama Club. Here is a diagram of the interior configuration of the Tennessee Club car. The Tennessee Club car was built in 1926 by the Pullman Company. Originally, it had an open platform at the rear of the car where a few chairs allowed a view of the passing scenery. The Tennessee Club car was originally named the Mount Leidy. It was part of the Pullman Mount series, like the Mount Hood, a model of which is shown here. This is what the Tennessee Club would have looked like originally. This car is known as a heavyweight car since it has a concrete floor. This made the car more stable and kept it from swaying back and forth quite so much. The furniture was also very heavy, so it would not shift as the train moved. The Tennessee Club car was originally a 10-section lounge car. It had 10 sleeping units with upper and lower berths. These were located where the booths are today. In 1948, the car was acquired by the L&N Railroad, and in 1954, it was rebuilt to its current configuration. The sleeping units were removed and booths were added in their place. The Tennessee Club car serves several functions. Entering from the rear, there is a seating area where patrons can read or chat. There are buttons located at the bottom of the window that will summon an attendant who can bring something to eat or drink. Along the top of the car, above the windows, are pictures which show how the train was moved from the railroad tracks near Fulton Avenue to its first location at Sunset Park. The move lasted 2 days with a crew of 15 volunteer railway workers placing portable tracks in the street. The Tennessee Club holds a special place in history, having been used in 2 different presidential campaigns. It was used by President Eisenhower in his 1952 presidential campaign. Here is a cartoon drawn by Carl K. Knecht that depicts the event. The car was used again by Lady Bird Johnson when she campaigned for her husband during his run for the presidency in 1964. This menu was used during that campaign tour. This last door leads to the caboose.